Now the next topic of our syllabus is volume of combination of solids. The first question based on this that we are going to discuss here is example 5, page number 245. But only the volume part of this example we are going to discuss. What they are saying in the example, a godown in the shape of cuboid at the base and top is half cylinder. Half cylinder, the top is given. We have to find the volume. Volume part is very easy. Volume will be total volume actually. Total volume will be volume of cuboid plus cylinder is half, means half volume of cylinder. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H plus half volume of cylinder is pi r square H. As you can see, this is the diameter of cylinder. So radius will be 7/2 meters and height. This thing will be the height of the cylinder. Comes out to be 15 meters. Now put the values. L is 15, breadth is 7 and height is 8 plus half into 22/7. R is 7/2. Square is there, so writing 7/2 twice. Height is 15. Cancelling it. The final answer that you will get is 1128.75 meter cube. You just need to solve this and you will get the final answer. Now the next question is example number 6 on the same page. What does they say? A juice seller is having glass in these shapes. The juice seller is trying to be very clever. Actually the glass has a hemispherical projection towards the top. Means this portion, the portion that is shaded brown, it is not empty. The juice will come only in this portion and the brown colored portion will be remain unfilled. So we need to find the capacity of the glass. Capacity of the glass means we need to find the volume. So total volume will be volume of cylinder from this space is not filled, means this space we have to subtract. Volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder is pi r square H minus 2/3 pi r cube. As you can see, this is diameter, so radius will be 5/2 and height is given to you 10 centimeter. Anything common? Yes. Pi r square is common. H minus 2/3 r will be left behind. And in the question they are saying use pi is equal to 3.14 and whenever it is given we have to use the same. 3.14 multiply r is 5/2 into 5/2 in bracket 10 minus 2/3 into 5/2. Now solving it, 3.14 into 5/2 multiply 5/2. This will be 30 minus 5, 25/3. After solving, you will get it as 163.54 centimeter cube. So this is how you are going to do the question of volumes. Actually, volume question is simply add or subtract the volume of the constituents. Nothing more than that. And you can do it very easily. So that's it for the day. You have to do all those questions that we have discussed here. And I will send the pictures in the study material section as well. And there will be a worksheet of 10 questions that I will send you in the assignment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.